Okay. So good morning, everyone. Welcome to this exciting gathering of passion, sportsmanship, and gymnastics. From Jensen, we have Gabriel Don Yusor, Daniela Penny, Alinio, Ariana Villar, Z. Paulate, Elda Maris Dimos, Zia Rice Mel Cunanan, Alexander Andre Duranio, JD Ramain Cementas, Louis Alenio, and Annie Rose Alenio as coaches. Next we have from La Aquila, Fair Gymnastic Annex, we have from Davao City, Team Michael Perez, Ariel Joaquin Neves, Samara Amelia Osmar, and Sir Johnny Diaz Romualdo. Happy round of applause, please. Okay, let's have first a photo pic or photo opportunities with all our athletes and coaches and trainers. Friday, of course, our major sponsor and board. Thank you so much for the accommodation. And we have also Mario, Pian, Betsy, Gatorade, and Bradley. Ball, Ariana Aguilar. Floor, gymnast number 10, Ariana Aguilar. Gymnast number 10, balance beam, ATL 2, Ariana Aguilar. Amala, Jeff Akil. Silver silang lahat. O, lahat ng score nyo, umabot ng silver. Wow! Congratulations!
Down, down, hindi ka makita.
Again,
Down, hindi ka makita.
ELP2, floor exercise, silver medalist, Paolate, Bitonio, Limos, Labang, Buenaventura, Paha, Alfon, Paharillaga, Ras, Aguilar, Timario, Andrade. Ayan. Walang lahat, nakaabot ang score sa silver. Congratulations. Job well done. Oh. Kumana sila picture. Picture mo na. Smile! Perfect smile. Sino pang wala? Ayun. O baka meron pang walang med. Seven sila kabo. Tayong 7 silver medalist. Meron na tayong 5 gold. Si Paolate, Bitonio, Limos, Labang, and Aguilar. Gold medalist. Ayan. O silang 5 naman mga gold medalist. Ayan. Congratulations. O, 5. Okay, congratulations! Wow! Oh, picture! Medalist, Labang, Buenaventura. Ayan, silang dalawa lang. Labang and Buenaventura. Bronze medalist for balance beam. Paolate, Bitonio, Limos, Paha, Halcon, Paharillaga, Ras, Aguilar, Timario, and Andrade. Sila naman ay silver. Okay, ilan nakabuok? O, 10 na sila kabuok, 10. 10 ba yan silang lahat dyan? O, tama ba, mami? 10? Okay. Yan, para sure na naay medal tanan. Sinay mo hilang pa. Okay, congratulations, kids! Ang galing-galing naman, boy. More practice pa para next time gold na kayong lahat dyan. Bronze medalist, Lia Mariel Buenaventura. Congratulations! Halcon and Aguilar. Ayan, silang tatlo lang. Labang, Halcon, Aguilar. Silver. Yay! Congratulations! Picture. O, salute po mo nga. Salute, be. Okay, next. We have Paolate, Bitonio, Labang, wait, Limos. Again, we have silver, Paolate, Bitonio, Limos, Paha, Paharillaga, Ras, Timario. Okay, individual all around, silver, Paolate, Bitonio, Limos, Paha, Paharillaga, Ras, and Timario. 7 tabo. 7. Dahil may 7 tayo na silver at isang bronze, meron tayong 4 na gold. We have Labang, Buenaventura, Halfon, and Aguilar. Congratulations! Congrats! Wow! Happy kiddos yan! Happy athletes yan! More goals pa in the future! Okay! More goals para abot kayo ng palarong pambansa. O, di ba? Mag-aspire na tayo ng mas bigger pa. O, salute! Everyone, salute! Smile! Okay, with coaches na. Sino mga coaches? Go, coaches!
Picturean na kami. Aya, look here.
Coaches! Yaman sa coaches with parents na.
Ano lang. Oo, picture guys. Okay na, naka-video na siya. Oh, ganun siya. Dali lang kayo. Okay. Congratulations! Congrats! Ah, thank you. Dili na lang.
Congratulations!
Okay lang.
Okay,